Okay, rice cake machine SYP4509 4509 C35 titan coated mold and switch bar up there. It's a thin type, thin crisp type for Serbia. Right, very crispy. Well, great. Okay, this is a present temperature and this is set temperature. You can adjust the set temperature by this set switches up and down and left and right moving. And 4 switches is a heater on and off, pump, motor, and automatic operation. And manually you can go up the mold and down by this switch. And 3 control dial controllers. This first one speed 4.7 and thickness is 00 for this thin crispy chip type, and depth of core is 3.0 at the first setting. And pressure. Pressure for thin crispy type around 100. After check or set the pressure gauge, you have better close pressure gauge to use longer. Emergency button here, when something happens, you can push it and the machine stops. And release it, on and off, and release it, and machine start again. Alright, and send out the cylinder over there, and below the cylinder is the pressure support valve there to make a stable pressure in long use. The 3 cylinder valves provide electric signal to the machine, and the lights is moving as per the cylinder movement. Okay, and 3-phase motor there, and pump. It's the oil tank. And fan must be on all the time when the machine works. It's a white rice and brown rice mix. Okay. This is a feeding plate. Feeding plate and base plate. When the feeding plate go forward, that proxy sensor is a LED light. Turn off. Go forward, turn off. And come back to the end fully. Turn on again. Otherwise, it cannot go to the next step. The 2 springs here. The feeding plate is back. Bring back. And the drive motor and gear head is a feeding plate go forward. Okay, it's the oil control valve and check valve and relief valve. Relief valve is related with the pressure control. Insert the related wrench into hole and turn clockwise, increase pressure. On clockwise, decrease pressure. And motor and oil tank here. Alright, and it's a control box here, inverter, it's 60,000 value, and SSR is make the temperature stable, and breaker and contactor is relays on PCB. PCB is the brain of this machine. This is a micro volume. Is to adjust the thin type and normal type. The turn to the end clockwise is the thin type. So you can see the manual over there. And oil tank, idle oil 10 liters inside. Good. Great.